Hi everyone, it's Alex Sparks here from Sparks Finance and I'm your local mortgage broker in Bathurst. Today's video is the February 2023 monthly review. Now on Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to meet for the first time in 2023 and decided to increase the cash rate by 0.25%, taking the total cash rate to 3.35%. Now, this wasn't unexpected. There was a lot of talk of the 0.25% increase. It's something that we're probably going to see a few rises within the start of the year. There are mixed reports and forecasts around economists within Australia. Some of them think it's going to peak at 3.35 where we are now. Some of them think it's going to peak at 3.85 later in the year. So obviously, there is so much conjecture at the moment, and in the media, there's a lot of talk about interest rates, and obviously a lot of households are living in uncertain times. I suppose the main thing to take into consideration is we can only control what we can control. So by making sure that we've got a strategy in place to make your home loan repayments and to keep your household expenses in check, that's the things that we can control. So that's what we want to be focusing on. That's what we focus on with our clients. In terms of Bathurst property market, speaking to agents and looking at the numbers, there's still a really good supply of properties. They are, taking longer to sell. So, for people who are looking to get into the market, there's not as much pressure on in terms of quick turnaround times of properties. There's a lot more to choose from. Now, we are seeing in certain pockets, some of the market is really, really strong. Those property prices, around about that 500 to 600,000 are still holding their prices really well. Some of the other larger ticket items, properties around that sort of 850, 900, we're probably seeing them come back slightly based on some comparative sales in those areas. So, once again, it is a mix, and it's about looking at the different segments in the market to say, fully whether the market's, going up or going down. But, does seem to be mixed, but, the main thing to take into consideration is if you're looking at getting into the market, there is a lot more supply there for you to choose from. Moving into 2023, obviously the major talking point that we're going to have is around what they call the mortgage cliff. So a majority of current home loans within Australia are on a fixed rate. So a lot of these people will be coming off their fixed rate expiries this year and going from a rate of say 2%, possibly up to 5, 6 or 7%. So, if you're in that situation, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We want to make sure that you're aware of what you will be going to, and we can see if we can find any other options to look to refinance your rate, renegotiate, to make sure that you're in a better place when you do come off that fixed rate. But obviously, as a first home buyer, there's some amazing government incentives available this year. Looking at the family home guarantee for people, single parents that can use a 2% deposit to get into the market. Looking for the building home build guarantee as well. We've got the regional first home buyer guarantee, and they've also got the first home buyer stamp duty waiver, the shared government equity scheme. So there's a lot of schemes available at the moment to take advantage of if you want to get into the property market. So come and speak to a qualified broker to make sure that you can maximise those government incentives and get into your property sooner. We're all very excited about 2023. I hope you are too. We really hope that everyone's going to be in a great position leading into this year. And if you have any questions or have any goals that you want to achieve, property or finance related, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. We'd love to help you out. Thanks very much, everyone. I look forward to speaking with you all next month for our March review. Thank you.